All new at 6, a church has been also impacted. We will check in with that church very shortly and see the damage. But Bill Liss is live now in Buchanan tonight. After speaking with the National Weather Service meteorologist, he has the very latest on what they have seen and the judgment that they have rendered. Bill?
Well, Jeff, we spent the day in Haralson County with the National Weather Service surveying the damage, which was quite extensive. You can see right behind me a house which was pretty much destroyed, and right next to it a tree that was ripped up and is in the house next door. It was damage like this that we spent the day looking at, and the Weather Service has just confirmed to us 2 tornado strikes here in Haralson County. The first was an EF1 at winds 95 miles an hour. The second one was an EF0 of winds from 85 to 90 miles an hour. Now, the Weather Service takes radar images and compares them to the actual damage to determine straight wind and tornado damage. They call it a complex puzzle, this one harder than most because the storm fragmented after coming in from Alabama into Georgia, and it combined both straight wind and tornado activity. Keith Stellman is the chief meteorologist at the National Weather Service. He led today's team that we followed all throughout the county. He called putting this puzzle together more challenging than most because of a combination of straight wind and tornadoes.
What we're looking at is obviously a tornadic storm in Alabama, and as it moved into Haralson County, into Georgia, it started to sort of evolve and what we call sort of occlude. Well, once that process started, we started to see straight line winds integrate with tornadic damage. And so now we're out here trying to sort of solve that puzzle and figure out where the tornadic damage is and where there's straight line wind damage.
Well, the tornado damage in here is now 2 tornadoes which have actually touched down, and both of them have been confirmed. And we're going to stand by for more information from the National Weather Service regarding the straight wind damage, which is quite extensive here in Haralson County. From Buchanan, Bill Liss, 11 Alive News.